Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is gonna be a completely different video than normal. Usually I do a bunch of outdoor videos. We're gonna be outside, but not hunting or fishing. We are down in Kentucky by where all the tornado went through, and we're helping some people re-roof their houses, cut down trees and stuff like that. And we're redoing a big house, had a tree land on it and stuff like that. So we're redoing that. And I decided to make a video about it. So, gonna be a lot of time lapses and stuff like that, but I hope you guys enjoy. This is where we're sleeping. It's just in this church's sanctuary. I'm sleeping on a air mat, and just a bunch of people have cots and stuff like that. So, super fun actually. I'm enjoying it. I mean, obviously, it's not cool that the tornado happened, but I'm glad I can help some people out. So, gonna head outside and start shingling this roof. We got a lot to do with a little time, so we're gonna have to hurry, but I think we can get it done. Derek's casually setting up the ladder. We're getting ready to shingle this roof. The roof is like probably at least 10-12, maybe 12-12, so we can't walk on it, which kind of sucks. So we're gonna have to put up staging and stuff, but should be okay. It's not a super big roof. We only have like 3 square to shingle there. Should finish that in pretty quick, and then we have to tear off the rest of the house. So better get started. I'm gonna put on a time lapse. Hope you guys enjoy. Sweet! Nozzle right here.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Flips this up. Flip it up. Well, this truck's roaring behind me, but I didn't really talk to the camera much yesterday, but it's super foggy out here this morning. I don't know how much of that you guys can see. But we have one more big side and a little flat roof that we have to finish. So we have to tear this one side off. We did this last because it was kind of waterproof, but not really. And we didn't know if you'd have time, but I think we have time now, so we're gonna tear that off and re-shingle that too. So hopefully we can get this cranked out pretty quick. Probably a couple more time lapses and stuff like that, but hope you guys enjoy. Well, peeps, it is the next day. It's the last day we're gonna be here. We finished the roof. Actually, I have a couple more shingles I have to put on, but we finished the roof mostly. Finishing the flat roof on the back and stuff like that, but that house looks sweet, so I'm so glad that's done. And then the other guys have been trimming a lot of trees while we were working on the roof and stuff. So right now they're gonna cut down a tree that's in the way of power lines and stuff. So I'm gonna set up a time lapse and then also video when it's falling and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. I think my dad's gonna be chopping it down. I'm not for sure. We're gonna be trying to pull it, and hopefully it goes smooth. It's right between power lines, and the last thing this place needs is no power on top of a tornado. So hopefully it goes as planned. But yeah, I'll set this up and you guys can hopefully enjoy. Well, they're about to chop this tree down, so that's gonna be cool. They're hooking everything up and hopefully it should go smooth. So here we go. There was two power lines that we couldn't hit. I don't know if you guys can hear me with all the chainsaws around here, but there's two power lines that we couldn't hit. One of them is right there, and then the other one's on the other side. We had to throw it right between them, and it worked out perfect. So. So I forgot to take a before, which kind of sucks because it looked pretty bad before, but I'll show you guys what it looks like after we're done. So this is still kind of rough. The whole house as a whole is pretty rough, like the siding, but the shingles look pretty good. We shingled this whole side, tore everything off. There was 4 layers of shingles, tore everything off. Luckily we were able to reuse that boot. Everything shingled. We actually changed this flat roof too. We're working on that right now. We're pretty much done, but And then if I can get up here, yeet, we did this whole side as well. That was the second time lapse you guys saw. And then let me get down. If I can get up here, this was the first side that I was shingling the first day that you guys saw. The GoPro was sitting over there, and yeah, we pretty much redid this whole house except the front side that still had pretty decent shingles. So there was a tree right there that smashed in. It's that one over there. That stump just crunched right on this house. We had to, luckily the damage wasn't too bad, but we were able to fix that and re-shingle this whole thing, so it's pretty sweet. I wish I would have gotten it before, but it's all good. You guys could see what it looks like when it's good, at least. We're pretty much done. Here's the last day. Got a couple hours of work left probably, and then we'll get out of here.